Wondering what exhaust to install in your Mopar? Well, today on this episode we get a chance to hear a bunch of Hemi Mopar setups for all to hear. What's up Mopar fam? It's Sunday Fun Day. It's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? Today's episode is for the Mopar fam who are wondering what exhaust would satisfy their ears. We will be using the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus to capture this great audio, so let's go ahead and check them all out. Oh dude, are you running boost, bro? Yeah. Damn, bro. Damn. Yo, legit, bro.
He took the resonators off this thing, so when you hear this thing, it's pretty loud.
Yeah.
It's pretty loud.
Nice, bro. Is that the so that's the cat back, eh?
Yeah, that's the axle back.
Axle back.
Where are you?
The cat back?
The Flowmaster muffler.
Oh, nice. Sounds pretty decent. You got in there, man?
I just took out the mid-muffler.
Oh yeah?
That's it.
Sick.
Ready?
Let's go.
Go!
Uh-oh. That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
How does it sound on the highway? Do you have a lot of
You
drone?
don't hear nothing but that.
So you have a lot of drone on that?
No, actually. What it is if you get the pipe to come out from the bumper, you don't get drone.
You don't get drone?
No,
oh, is that right?
If the pipes are behind the bumper, it stays in the car.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. sounds different from last time. Like it's raspier. It's like it aged well.
That's getting chewed out of it.
Fucking right. That's a beaut.
Megan, throw 10. Finish.
Do it again, do it again. Wow, what a collection of exhaust setups on the Hemi. So what exhaust setup will you be installing on your Mopar? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. I would really appreciate it. Take care, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.